Yo, what is up guys, BK Gaming here, back with another video on the iPad. And then here, I forgot to record, I started recording late, got like a 75-yard rushing touchdown from Steven Jackson. So, here, hand this off, 2-point conversion, here we go, 8-0, 19 seconds into the game. Okay. Come on. Okay. What the? He just... Okay, that's out of bounds. Don't have to get that. Oh, he didn't even catch that. Okay. Alright. Come on. Yes, sack. 1 sack. Alright, so 1 sack. Come on. No. Get back, get back. Took so. Out of bounds, yes. Alright. Alright. So far, good so far. Okay. That's such a bad punt. Spin move. Dang it. Come on. Come on. Steven Jackson. Yes. Boom. Look at that. Another rushing touchdown. I'm not really going for rushing. I just go in suggested. Let's go. Oh, it's already second quarter. Wow. I'm probably gonna do the pack opening. What the? No, I didn't want to do an onside kick. Probably in this video too because I have enough money. I have 18K on my iPad. Get it. Yes, we got it. Yes, let's go. That was a good thing that we did the onside kick. Risk. I take the risk. Not the safe way, the risks. Go for the risks. Just waste some time. Okay, let's stop then. You know, just excessive dancing. Again, stop doing that. You're gonna hurt your head or something. I want to do a spin on the touchdown zone. Here, 24 zip. No, damn it. Timeout, okay. There's no reason why you should call a timeout. It's 24-0. There's no reason why you should call a timeout right now. So if I don't get 200 yards this game in passing yards or rushing yards, I'm just switching it to 175 because I don't think it's possible. Okay, that's out of bounds again. Okay, twice. Alright. I'm just gonna throw out a question there in this video. Are you guys excited for NBA 2K16? Because I am very excited. And right now we just got a pick here, and the thing I think I'm gonna return this. No, intercept 10 passes in season mode. Okay, that's an achievement. Okay, I'll take that. Come on. Oh, those crossovers. Oh yes. Dang it, my quarterback got sacked. Oh wow, my QB got sacked 6 yards. Oh my goodness. 24 zip going to the first half. Alright. Come on. Oh, yep. Ah, if he didn't catch it. Bruh. Bruh. Come on. Come on, that's... I use it... Oh, my God. I swipe. I swipe. Come on. Oh, my God. My guy just got murdered. I don't know how that wasn't a pick, but... No, 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 no. No. Oh, my God. Fitzgerald. I'm going to get like a sack because I'm pretty sure they're going to get the field goal. I want this to be a shutout game. Okay. Come on. Yes! 2 interceptions. Brock. No. No! Accessibility touch. Accessibility touch cheese. Get out of my sight. Come on. Come on. 11. 10. 9. 8. Okay. 8 seconds left in the third. Yes. Let's go. Come on. Get stepping. Okay, come on. Let's get a fumble here. I just feel fumble. I just feel fumble right now. I don't know. I feel fumble. Fumble, please. Fumble, fumble, fumble. Not right now. Not right now. Yeah. Come on. Oh, that's a pick. God, Fitzgerald. I just want to see how much videos this is. 7 minutes. Yeah. It's 7 minutes usually when I go into the second half. 7 minutes in the fourth. Alright, so I'm gonna do the pack opening in this video. Come on, if we go. God, I can't get a pick. One more, please. One more. I am doing a zone coverage. Or I should have done man. Oh my God. Come on. Oh, that's a pick. Yeah, that's a pick. Give me that. Let's go. Pick 6. Let's go. Oh my God. Alright, so we get 2 packs. Yep, 2 packs. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go at the last second. I'm gonna run backwards. Yep. Run backwards. Alright, I'm just gonna let the clock run out. Okay. I might not do it because I might not do the pack opening in this video. Because what if I got 200 yards in rushing or passing? But I doubt that I got 200 rushing yards. 1. Yeah, just gonna stay here. Alright, let's go. We win.